Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really super fast and easy Christmas wreath using items mostly from Walmart. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. Hey y'all, before we get into this, a lot of people ask me where I get my ribbon and deco mesh and stuff for my wreath. Listen, Mel's Crafty Mojo. That is where you need to go to get a whole bunch of not only wreath making supplies, but also a lot of just really cool holiday decorations, different craft supplies. Just head on over there. I'm going to have a link down in the description box. I'm also going to have a link in the comments and I'll pin that link. So I need you to go on over there. I need you to check her out and start ordering your stuff because we know how it is around the holidays. If you don't order stuff early, it all gets sold out. But anyway, go over there and check out all of her awesome Christmas stuff. But for this, what you're going to need, one of these 14-inch wire wreath frames, one of these big stars. I got this at Walmart. Isn't that cute? $4.98. You're also going to need some of this Sparkle Chenille yarn. This is also from Walmart. This is the big puffy Chenille yarn. It's the Mainstays brand. What color is this? Angel Wing. It's sort of, and I can't tell if the color is looking like on the screen right now, but it's sort of a like that retro muted pink color. And a lot of you have been asking me to do different color of Christmas stuff aside from like the standard red and green. So I'm going to make a mess with this right quick and then we'll get into this. Oh, it looks like intestines. All right, let me find the end of this. Holy cow. All right. Here we go. Now look, I've done looped it over the TV. All right, but anyway, basically all that we're going to be doing is we're going to start gluing this around our frame. Let's throw the, oops, I just threw that star on the floor. It's a shooting star. Now get right there. All right, so let's take our hot glue, and you see how I'm doing that? I'm just putting a line right there. And then we're going to fold this yarn over carefully. Carefully, and we're going to hold that in place and check out my jewelry, this ring and bracelet. These come from Paparazzi, only $5 each. Again, look in the description box and I'll have a link that says Paparazzi. Click on that, then click on the link that says shop, and it'll take you to all the good stuff. All right, I think that is okay. All right, now what we're going to do is you're just going to wind this really super easy. We're just going to wind this all the way around like so. And it gets easier once some of this yarn gets out of the way. I love this yarn. I really do. But you just want to hold it in place with your fingers like so. And then you can take your hot glue, you know, just put a spot on it here and there to kind of hold it in place. And then just wrap it all the way around. All right, so we're done wrapping our wreath frame here, and we have a lot of yarn left. You could probably get 2 wreaths out of one skein of that yarn. But anyway, now we have our star here, and this little loop, that needs to go. So we're going to take our handy dandy wire cutters here, and we're going to cut that off. And we're going to come over here, over here, over here. All right, come on. There we go. And now I'm just going to attach this here. And what I'm going to use is a piece of the silver wire. You can use floral wire. You can use whatever type of wire. This is just some wire I had laying around, okay? So whatever kind of wire you want to use. I wouldn't really suggest trying to glue this star down. This thing's heavy. This star is heavy. So that's why I'm going to be using a piece of this wire. And I really don't think that you're going to see it, because this yarn is really fuzzy. Let's see if we can get it straight in the center here. So what I'm going to do is just take it and bend it like so, and then try to go down in the point and just straight through that yarn. Because you know the little bands that run through the wreath frame? That's what we're going to try to wrap this wire around. So you just stick it down in there, and I'm just going to pull it straight out of the back. And you see how it kind of sinks down in that fuzzy yarn? And you can't really see it. So now let's flip it over, and I'm just going to give it a few good twists here, and then try to trim it down as close as you can get it to the yarn. And I'll trim the back off of it here in a minute. But anyway, let's take a look and try to keep it centered here. So now we're going to cut another piece of wire, and we're going to do the same thing on every single one of the points. So all of these, we're going to run the wire through there and fasten it down. So now our star is all fastened down, and now I have made this bow. This is some ribbon, Mel's Crafty Mojo, some silver ribbon. This is 1.5 inches wide. So you've seen the bow video, I'm sure, but this is how I make a no-tie bow. This is what it looks like. I will put the link to that video where I'll show you in depth how to make it in the description box. I'll also pin a comment. And I've been trying to decide if I want this bow at the bottom or the top. I want it at the top. That's where I want it. I've been playing around, trying to decide where exactly I want it, and I think it looks best up here at the top. So I'm just going to put that bow right there. And now I'm just going to let it sit there and wait for this glue to set up. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And now what I'm going to do is these little silver foam balls from Bright Ideas, $4.99 for the bag. These came from Hobby Lobby. What I'm going to do is just kind of glue them around the wreath. I've been playing with it to see whether or not I wanted to do this or not, and I thought it was really cute. And I liked the way it looked. So now what we're going to do is glue these all the way around. I think there's different sizes. So let's just make sure that we got the, the correct size on all of them. I'm just trying to evenly space them out to begin with the bigger size. Oh, there's a gnat. This is what happens when you have to spray paint indoors and you have to open your daggum windows. All right, let's put that there because y'all know I do live next door to farmland. So, but anyway. All right, so you see how I have those evenly spaced out? I'm going to glue some more all the way up. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. So the bigger ones are on there. And you know what? I'm trying to say the big sparkly balls are on there. And now we're going to play with the little sparkly balls. And I'm having a hard time saying that with a straight face. Because sometimes I have the humor of a 12-year-old boy. Oh my goodness. But anyway, now we're going to put the smaller ones on there. I'm putting the small ones in between the big ones. Amber, stop it. Stop it. This is why I'm not a craft instructor in a Michaels or something. All right, so now we're just going to glue these on in between those, and then I think I'm going to call that done. So we'll glue these others on and take a look. All right, there we go. And you know what? I think that looks pretty good. I wanted something really simple, but yet, you know, kind of glitzy and glamorous. And I think that all of the Chanel yarn here that has the sparkles in it, and I think the glitter on here, I think that accomplished what I was trying to accomplish. Very simple, but yet, you know, very pretty. And I really, really like it. But anyway, don't forget to head on over to Mel's and check out what she has for Christmas. And if you would, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!